Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn one abstract image prompt into endless prompts. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So if you are bad at writing prompts, just like myself, this could be the perfect trick for you. So to do that, open up your Discord homepage and select a server with a Midjourney bot on it. And here I'm going to write down a very simple prompt. Let's write /imagine and hit enter. And remember, the magic word is abstract, so make sure you use that in your prompt. So I'm going to start with the word abstract and add a couple of adjectives. And then I'm going to hit space once and type --v and hit space once more and write down 4. So I want this to work in Midjourney version 4, and I think Midjourney version 4 works better in abstract images, but feel free to test other versions. So let's hit enter to generate, and here's our image. So here select the one that you liked most and then hit that upscale button first. So here's our upscaled image. Simply click on open original and here copy this URL address and go back to Discord. Let's close this thumbnail and here write down /imagine again and paste the URL that you copied. That would be the first part of your prompt, and then hit space once and write down a name and object. I'm going to write down elephant here, and then hit space once more and then write down --v and 4. Let's hit enter once more to generate, and here's our image. You can repeat this process for unlimited time to generate infinite prompts. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.